Here I have KYOCERA Torque G03, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button Eco Mode. This is just power saving mode on this device. It's called Eco Mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can switch it here, and you can change its sleep time here when the power saving mode is enabled. You can change its brightness. You can set it to turn off auto rotating to more power saving. You can also set it to turn off Wi-Fi, turn off Bluetooth, turn off location access, turn off auto synchronization. You can also turn off this CPU clock, limit the processing speed for battery saving, and you can also enable this data communication. Disable mobile data communication for more power saving. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.